Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the sleep timeout on this device. So actually the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on display and brightness. And as you can see here, we've got the sleep option, which is in this device called auto screen off. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some different options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 30 seconds applied, and you can say it because this option is marked right here. And if you'd like to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes, simply tap on it. As you can see, we just go back to the previous settings, and it is notified right here that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the sleep time in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.